Stuart Small's not here, eh? Scared.
It's still nice to see you.
Stuart's scared, more like. Yeah, get him. It's gonna be bangers all day.
You're very bloody. Are you okay?
Now remember, the prosecution goes first, so we just get to sit here and take it for a little bit, okay?
That's okay. They've been giving it to me for the last couple of days, and I've just been taking it.
Prozac?
I can't wait for this to be over.
Usually,
yeah,
me too.
This helps me with my.
Honestly.
Yeah, this does help me with my depression.
This is perhaps the worst thing that has happened to me in my entire.
What? I mean, if you like, I hope you realize you could have not taken. Well, you know, I'm not gonna say anything.
It became a
battle of wits.
Principle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's an issue of principle.
I understand. No,
they had the opportunity to make things right too.
This is the second time I've represented you in some form of action. It's kind of funny. My 2 court cases involve you and Damon. Stuart Smalls didn't show up, I guess. Probably afraid of me or something.
He was in the lobby like 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, I'm kind of thinking I'm a big deal and he might be as scared of a winning lawyer guy.
Doesn't he have a 100% win rate? I guess.
We both do, but his 100% win rate was way more scary and not as clean. I don't know how he won that court case.
Today is a slam dunk. One of those records is going down.
GG. Oh shit.
Wow.
It's Stuart Smalls.
Jury, dude. Oh,
is that the hamburger?
There's no jury. That's Hugh Wayman.
It's familiar.
Oh.
Hey, I'm Hugh Wayman.
Alright, so we are here today for... Hold on. Valentine. Oh my goodness.
That is correct.
Okay. So you're here for the criminal charge of brandishing a firearm and registered firearm possession. What do you plead? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty, Your Honor.
Bust. Alright. You guys may start with your opening... You go first.
I go
Sorry,
first.
You broke up a little bit. Who goes first?
Prosecution.
Your Honor, today we are in a case between good and evil. Me being good, evil being on my left here. A gun was used with unjust use, and we are going to take him down because that's what we do here. Thank you, Your Honor. I rest my intro.
No.
Was it like your left or my left?
Oh,
I'm just
shit.
clarifying.
My left.
Okay,
Nice.
good come. Defense?
Your Honor, I agree on one thing with Mr. Smalls. This is a battle of good and evil. But the evil does not rest on the left side. It rests over there next to Stuart Smalls, but like in an ideological sense, because Mr. Officer Smilin is cool, but the system is what's wrong. You see, my defendant, Valentine, is guilty of nothing except circumstance, being in the wrong place at the wrong time, being misunderstood, and just being thrown through the ringer for no reason. Today, I'm going to settle once and for all that these charges are unjust, and I'm gonna win. And I'm thinking I'm back, Your Honor.
Prosecution, you may start with your first witness and evidence.
My first witness.
Do you have a witness?
I do.
Are you doing this again?
No.
It's Officer Smiling, Stuart.
I call Officer Smiling to the stands. Hello, officer. Good day to you.
Hello. Hi.
What's your name?
I am Officer 083. He'll be smiling.
Okay, officer. Can you care to explain the situation that's at hand here?
Yes. On the Officer Shelby, sorry, excuse me, I was shot at today. Officer Shelby and I were reporting to alerts of shots fired out at Chumash, I believe it was, on the West Coast. When we arrived at the scene, we found Mr. Valentine behind the premises of a bank, holding his friend Damon. In Mr. Valentine's hand was a weapon. So, arriving at the scene of shots fired, I withdrew my taser and asked the gentleman to put his hands up and drop the gun. He complied and was arrested at the scene.
Thank you very much, sir, for telling me that story.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now listen, my next question. And it's a big one, so here it comes. So, was the gun... the gun wasn't his?
It was an unregistered firearm that was in his hand.
Okay, that's all I have to do. Thank you.
Okay.
I'm
Defense, you
done.
may cross-examine this witness.
With pleasure, Your Honor. Walks up to the sand
Do you have any
cool.
more bottles of gin?
Your Honor,
Asking for a friend.
maybe after.
I can give you some, Your Honor.
Okay.
Your Honor, I would like to ask the officer if when he saw the man with the gun, and I watched the body cam footage, what did the officer immediately see? Did he see the man with his weapon raised, or did he see the Valentine in question carrying the other man to safety in a corner? What did you see?
It was an unregistered firearm that was in his hand.
Now, my defendant claims that at the time, there were some aggressive locals in the area. Upon reaching the location, which is near a gun store, by the way, the defendant purchased the new firearm, was on their way to go register it. The gun store located at 5034 is directly next to that bank, in which time Damon, who fired off a weapon as well, but that's not involved in this case, Mr. Valentine thought that it was scary. He was in fear for his life. He pulled out his weapon, and he was pulling his friend, his dear friend and buddy, out of the line of fire, trying to get him to safety. And that is when the police showed up. They were just scared of a potential local or an armed robbery. It just happened to be near the bank. If you look at your map, the bank and the gun store are within close proximity, and they were walking back because they did not have any opportunity to head to the police station because they're so far out getting the gun. Now, officer, would you perhaps agree that this is possible, or would you disagree that this is the case? I'm curious to know what you think.
Hypothetically, yes, it's possible.
Objection, this doesn't seem right.
What are you objecting?
You can't really object to that.
Yes, ma'am.
Unfortunately,
Go ahead.
we have a lot of facts that suggest otherwise.
Did you review the body footage, Your Honor?
Yes, I did.
And, well, I guess that we'll decide that later. That's all I wanted to know. Any questions for you? Let me think about this. No, I don't think I have any more questions for Officer Smiley, but he does look good today.
Thank you.
I rest my questions for this particular witness, Your Honor.
All right, sounds good. Witness, you may take your seat. Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Judge. You're looking great.
Thank you. You don't have to suck up to me.
No, I say it to everyone.
Prosecution, do you have any more witnesses?
Your Honor, may I ask a question?
I suppose. What's your question?
Can I ask anybody to the stand?
As a witness for this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure, you get one freebie.
Cool. Thank you, ma'am.
Make it quick, though.
I'd like to call Hugh Wayman to the stands.
Okay.
Yes, this is an outrage, Your Honor.
I told him he could do it.
It's a limit of 2 witnesses, by the way.
I understand that. This is my final witness, Your Honor. Hello, Hugh Wayman.
Hey, Stuart, can you hear me okay?
Yeah, I can hear you just fine. You've been in the city for 15 minutes, is that correct?
I would say it's probably closer to maybe 30.
Understood. Now, in your pocket, you have a firearm. Is it licensed?
That's a really great question, Stuart. It is in fact halfway licensed. We were working on it, and then Dwemer said it was chill. So
Very interesting, Your Honor.
no, it's not.
Another man in the
An
city.
officer?
I'd like to just pay notice that there's another man in the city with an unlicensed weapon.
Who's that?
Okay.
Okay. What does that have? Whatever. Okay.
Small.
Hearsay.
You know, you're
What?
prosecuting.
I could show you the
Oh,
weapon.
shit. Wait, which one am I?
Lawyer if you want.
Get him out the stand. Your Honor, let's continue. Let's continue.
No,
Your
I
Honor.
have to. No, I have to ask him questions.
Oh shit! I rest my questions.
Are you sure?
No, Your Honor. I have one more. I just don't want to waste your time any longer.
Yeah, let's hear it.
Hugh Wayman,
Yeah, that's me, Hugh Wayman.
allegedly. You're carrying a pistol that may or may not be licensed, but we don't know.
I mean, do you want to know?
I don't want to know. Never tell me. Keep it a mystery.
Okay, I won't tell you.
Judge, can I interject?
I
Yes, sir.
suppose you can.
I will need to take that pistol right now.
Objection. The
Please, no.
existence of the pistol is hypothetical at best. There's no reason to search this man before I question him.
I'm a judge. I give him warrant to search this man. This man came here.
Whoa,
to
whoa, whoa.
DOJ.
I mean,
knowing
Stuart,
he had an illegal weapon.
Okay, but like Dwemer said, it was chill.
I don't believe you.
I will say.
I was
officer-
there.
I will find that out. We'll find that out maybe later.
Judge, we've had multiple
Second court.
instances of people coming to the court, coming to the PD saying Dwemer said it was chill. There is no evidence of any of these.
Call Dwemer, I swear to God.
I got real confused.
Stuart, you're
Then you
seven.
can call Officer Dwemer. This is like a whole separate case. Why is somebody?
Stuart, I thought
saying
you were
it's
cooking
chill?
there. I'm being honest.
I have
It was real
questions
good.
While he's being, Your Honor. Could I ask
Sure,
questions,
yes, ask-
sir?
Ask your question.
Oh yeah, yeah, sure.
Hey, Hugh Wayman, while you're being searched in your pants. Question
what's
for
up?
you. So,
Yeah.
Officer Dwemer, can you please tell me exactly what this officer of the law told you in regards to getting your weapon registered? Did you go to the police station to get it registered and they told you to come back later? Is this true?
That's true. Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. I gave him the
Your
gun.
Honor. Actually, I bought him that gun. Your Honor, I bought him that gun.
Oh, Your Honor, he bought the gun.
Yo, what is this kangaroo court?
Guys. No,
Anyway,
no,
this is
there's no
irrelevant.
kangaroos.
Anyway, what I'm trying to
We'll
say.
talk about this later.
Okay, what I'm trying to say, Your Honor, is that I'm saying that whenever people get sent to go get their weapons registered at the police station, they're always busy because they're very busy police officers. So this is exactly what happened to my client. He had gone earlier in the day to go get it registered, but left because nobody was there. And it's nonsense. They're getting a registered weapon. What is Widow Town is widowy freaking epic.
I thought I was a witness.
No, shut up, Hugh. Pull your pants up.
Are we talking about Valentine?
Order.
Order.
Please.
Sorry, Your Honor.
I would like a large cheese. Anyway, I
Standing
rest
on
my
the
case.
The mahogany, please. Okay. All right. Witness, you may go. Go do something. Not here.
Anything.
Get out of here.
Clean yourself up.
Yes,
Just leave, man.
Thank you, Hugh.
Okay.
Thank you, Hugh.
Defense, please. As your witnesses.
Fuck you,
Yes,
Stuart,
Your
piece of
Honor.
shit.
I would like to call my first witness to the stand, Damon of House, whatever his
Get
last
off
name is.
The table.
Oh,
Get
sorry.
off the table.
wait,
Why are you
lock.
standing on the table?
Don't be rude now. Hello, Your Honor.
Damon, do you tell the truth and but the truth? Do you promise?
Of course, yes.
On the day of whatever you were doing, can you please explain what you and your compatriot were doing wearing all of that gear
Well,
so that the court understands why you were wearing so much black gear with kinky mask?
it's a little private, but as you said, it's a little kinky fantasy where we just dress up in weird outfits and we chase each other through the woods. It's just a little romantic thing that we do every Saturday evening, and it's just yeah, it's nice. It's nice to get it out, you know.
Of course, that's
Get on all fours, run around.
yeah, that's completely personal. I just wanted to make sure we understood why you were wearing matching outfits. It was really cute. Anyway, moving on. My next question: when you were, when you fired off your weapon because you were also apparently scared of locals, right? And then you were run over by a nasty local with a car, and they ran you over. Were you in fear for your life? Did you feel as though your friend Val, you know, you were under the line of fire and you needed to get out quick?
From Val?
What? No, from the local that ran you over.
Oh,
and hurt you.
Yeah. I mean, if Val wasn't there, I'm pretty sure I would have died.
I agree. Now, that's all I have to ask about this particular witness. They were trying to make their way through a dark world full of locals who are scary, with teeth bared and weapons ready and cars running you over, and they scream weird things like they're gonna go get breast milk from the store. It's kind of weird. Anyway, I rest my questions.
Oh, okay. All right. Prosecution, you may cross-examine this witness.
Huge W.
Damon, was it?
Yeah, Stuart.
You're friends with this Val, aren't you?
Yeah. A little bit more than friends, but yeah.
Damon, was it?
Yeah, Stuart.
You're friends with this Val, aren't you?
Yeah. A little bit more than friends, but yeah.
And, if I don't recall, I helped you get a gun one day, didn't I?
No, you did not. You helped me get a gun license.
I did. Oh, the gun license. And, who was left out when I was getting you a gun license? Who were you with?
Oh, there was a bunch of people at the police station. Are you asking?
Who were you with? Who did you come in with?
With Val.
And was Val able to get his gun license that day?
Not that day because he did not finish his training thing.
Okay.
Okay.
Cool.
Cool. Yes.
Objection, Your Honor. He's a tattletale.
Oh. Maybe I am.
Overruled. It is okay to be a tattletale in court.
Oh. Cool.
That's my only question. I can't think of anything.
All right. Thank you, witness. Thank you for your time. You may go.
Thank you, witness. Big ups.
All right. Do you have any other witnesses?
I would like to first read a witness account from one Anya Knees. They were not able to attend today as they had to go sleepy bye-bye. So I will be reading a brief description of what they said. One moment.
Objection, is that allowed?
I asked before.
That is allowed.
Okay, cool.
You thought you had me. All right. This comes from directly signed and signatured. I can send it to them. I can send it to you. I've already sent it to you later, Judge. It's signed by them. Apologizes. I will be sleeping when the court case happens, so below is my formal statement. My name is Anya, and I work with Damon and Val. On the day I recall the two leaving working after the shift, they mentioned they were going to buy matching outfits. I later received a call from Val asking if I was free to pick them up and help them drive somewhere. I asked why they needed help since Val had a car, but he sent me a picture of his car on fire. I met them at their location and drove them to buy their first firearm each. After dropping them off, I got a text from them and had to leave. Wait, I got a text from and had to leave first. They said it was okay, and they would find their own way back, and I left. Signed, Anya.
I mean, prosecution, would you like to, cross-examine that written statement?
Yeah. You read too fast, Your Honor? I don't know what he said.
Objection.
Because Stuart's at
Please
30
read
words per
the
minute.
same thing slower, and
Okay.
you need to sound like Anya.
Apologizes. I will be sleeping when the court case happens, so below is my formal statement, boss. My name is Anya, and I work with Damon and Val. On the day I apologizes. I will be sleeping when the court case happens, so below is my formal statement, boss. My name is Anya, and I work with Damon and Val. On the day I recall the two leaving working after their shift, they mentioned they were going to buy matching outfits. I later received a call from Val asking if I was free to pick them up and help drive them somewhere. I asked why they needed to help since Val had a car, but he sent me a picture of his car on fire. I met them at their location and drove them to buy their first firearm each. dropping them off, I got a text from and had to leave first. They said it was okay and they would find their own way back, and I left. Signed, Anya. Thank you.
It's like she's in the room with
Got it
us.
loud and clear, Judge. Thank you for that.
Anything to say,
Of course,
Smalls?
we have a statement.
Oh yeah, I got a lot to say. What's that have to do with the thing?
I don't know.
It sounds like she bought them guns, and
Oh.
one of them didn't have a.
Am I calling you to the stand?
Okay, yeah. Well, one of them. Okay, well, he didn't have a license. Isn't that the point? So it doesn't even
Anya
matter.
doesn't have a license.
Yeah, so it doesn't even matter if they had
If
guns.
she bought them,
Whatever.
All right. Any other witnesses or evidence, or is
Okay, Your Honor, I have a question. Will the defendant get to speak on his own at the end when I'm done with witnesses? Will he have an opportunity to
he
speak?
would count as a witness?
Oh,
but
do you
you
want?
can bring him up.
Do you want yourself or do you want Earl?
I'll be a witness. Yeah.
I
would-
call the defend. What?
Sorry, Earl.
I call the defendant Valentine to the stand.
I've been summoned
In attack mode.
Valentine, do you promise to tell the truth? So help you God. All right,
I've
please
been
give
telling
your
the truth.
personal account as the defendant on the day, what you did in fact see and do, and if you would like to say anything. Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. I think this will hopefully clear up this whole misunderstanding. Essentially, how the day went, as per Anya's text, my friend over there, Damon, and I had finished up our work, and we went to get matching outfits because one of us, I'm not going to say who, is into some freak shit, and they really like being chased around in masked outfits. Anyways, we picked up our outfits, and Earl can testify to that, but it's not relevant. And then Anya picked us up because my car exploded earlier in the day, and she took us to the gun store. She was meant to drive us back, but she got a call from work, so she left first. And Damon and I picked up our firearms, and we were walking back. On the way back, this is a separate case, not relevant to here, but Damon was charged with brandishing a weapon, and in the moment, he also fired a shot. When I heard that shot and the screeching of cars and screaming, I thought we were under attack. I panicked. I drew out my firearm in the panic because I thought I was fearing for my life and my friend's life. The vehicle struck Damon, and when I came to, I realized he was collapsed on the floor, unable to move. My first instinct was to move him off the road, so I picked him up while still holding the pistol, correct, off to the side of the road, which happened to be the back or the corner of a bank. As I'm asking him if he's okay and what I should be doing next, whether call EMS or if he can get up, the police arrive on scene. I immediately comply. They ask me to go up against the wall, surrender, and I do so. I didn't point my gun at anyone. I didn't discharge a single bullet. We were on our way back to register the firearms. We both have licenses. We've acquired them on different days. He acquired his on the 1st. I acquired mine both more recently. But we neither had the funds or when we were together to purchase them. So this was our first chance to do so. And that is my account. It was out of fear for my life that I brandished the firearm. It was for a mere 15 seconds at most, and in fear and panic, I forgot to put it back. I was wondering if he was okay, and I was focusing on EMS and for that.
That's all my question. Thank you. Okay, now, Mr. Val, would you in fact say at this time you were fearing for your life, and that is the reason that you pulled the firearm before you had the chance to go register it? Would you say that you were scared?
Absolutely. I was terrified for my life. It was dark. It was hard to see. We're on the side of the road. I heard a gunshot ring out. And then as a result, I heard also screaming from cars and screeching of cars. So my first instinct was to draw out the firearm because I only purchased it for self-defense. It's only natural that, in that panic state, I did that. The police are also pressing this narrative that we were there to rob the bank. The position of it, the bank is close to the store. However, we don't have any equipment rob a bank. If you checked they checked our bodies. We didn't have anything other than one unregistered firearm each, and I mean, just normal stuff.
Your Honor, I think that describes it for me. I would then call Stuart to try to cross-examine that. Drops the mic.
Well, just because he was fearing for his life does not deny the fact that his weapon was still unregistered. Isn't that why we're here? Not that he got a little scared.
Well, I was trying to make my way back to the police station to do that. However, Anya had already left.
Well, you didn't
and,
make it!
That's no start.
That's mean, Your Honor.
we were walking towards it in the straightest path that we could, and in the process, Damon was struck by a car, so my priority was on him, making sure he was safe, and I was safe. And then I took him to the side of the road, and we were just waiting there trying to call EMS. There was nothing signaled at the bank that we entered. No, I didn't fire any shots myself. I was just simply fearing for my life, and I think any reasonable person in that situation, under those circumstances, may have drawn their vehicle, their weapon, for a short period of time. I'm sure once the adrenaline and fear wore off, I would have put the firearm away once I heard the EMS were on their way and that he was okay. But it was the adrenaline, like in the testimony that Officer Smiles presented before. I was holding my friend as I was holding the pistol. It wasn't like it was pointed at the police or the bank or anything. It was simply in my hand, and so was he.
Jeez.
Okay.
Do you have any other
Is that it?
questions?
Why'd you do it?
I believe
Leading the
in
witness.
our right to defend ourselves and purchase a firearm, like many of us have. And that's why, on the first day, Damon went to get his license, and that's why I got my license first. We were doing everything by the book. My actual first lawyer, Viles Vedgeworth, he was here actually, if he could testify, but I don't believe he's awake.
He's not.
We were going to go register my license, and we saw him on the way, and he said he needed a driver. So instead of going to register my gun immediately, to get my license immediately, we dropped him off to his first court hearing. Just a little bit about my character. We do a lot of good things around the city, and then I came back and registered my license, or I got my license. Sorry. So we're doing everything by the book. We try to do it right around the city, help people where we can. Earl is someone I helped on the first day too. Any other questions?
Okay.
Other questions?
Yeah, hold on.
He's using Chat GPT, Your Honor.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to do my
Is that a
work.
thing? Can you call for a sidebar?
Any other questions?
Can we call for a sidebar, Your Honor?
You just Googled that.
What do you want?
The pink
Talk with me.
guy wants to talk to me.
Pink guy wants to talk to you. Sure.
That's me.
Discuss.
Yeah. Hilby.
Rana, can I talk to my friends?
Okay, Hilby, what's up? Man.
Sure.
No, come over here.
Oh, shit.
You see, hey, you're doing great.
Yes.
Uh-huh.
I'm impressed.
I'm a
So
little confused.
Yeah, that 100% agree where it's gonna.
Yeah,
we we have evidence of
Got any Robux?
like clear statement from a lawyer saying that he was there to register his
shit.
gun.
Oh, shit. Should I say that?
Yeah, please talk about the evidence we have, and I'm
Okay, so
happy to
what's the
provide
evidence?
more clarity. There is body cam footage stating that he was at the PD earlier that day to register
Objection,
his
Your Honor.
firearm.
I'm not hitting on anyone.
That day.
I'm just
The
simply
same
So
day.
we have
widow
body
with a
cam
whistle.
footage of the incident showing he has an unregistered weapon.
Smalls, don't do this to me.
Cold hard truth of that.
Smalls, I need you to lock in.
Your Honor, there's some scary
Okay.
individuals going in and out of the precipice of this domain.
Smalls, look at me in the eyes,
Uh-huh.
okay?
I think they
I'm
may be
looking.
government
You
spies.
have
I'm not
pretty
trying to
eyes.
fuck you, I promise. I'm
Okay.
really
Okay.
confused.
Look at me in the eyes. Listen to what I have to say.
Oh,
Okay, listening kind of,
cool.
because it's loud.
can we go fishing?
We have evidence
I wanna fish.
showing
We can.
we have evidence from the lawyer,
Why do you have fish
his
in your
previous
pocket?
lawyer, Files Vedgeworth,
Sidebar almost done.
stating that he was at the PD earlier that day to register his firearm, then left.
Your Honor, this is not ESPN.
Okay.
This
I got
is
it.
not football.
Your
With
Honor-
a firearm,
Sports.
unregistered.
We're
Is that
done,
what
Your
a
Honor.
sidebar is? Do you have any other questions for this witness?
No, no, but I have something else that I should have said earlier.
You have. Your
I'm okay with
closing
that.
Statements. That's it.
Okay,
No, use it to ask the question.
okay, I got a
What
question.
the hell?
the question. Wait, I ask him. I gotta ask him. I ask
Yes, you.
Okay.
Yeah, if he was at the PD earlier that
Okay.
day to register his weapon.
Were you at the PD earlier
Yeah,
That day.
get my
that
gun
day,
license.
the day of the incident, to register your weapon?
No, I don't have any other weapon. The police searched me. I only have one weapon. It's unregistered at the time, but we were making our way to the police station. That's the only weapon I've ever had.
But we had the
Well,
body
we-
cam footage.
What were you talking about?
Body
Yeah,
cam.
I came to the PD earlier. I didn't have any firearm on me, and I was there to get my gun license.
But you left.
No, he already had his.
Because yeah,
3 days
because I
earlier.
got my gun license, and then I left
He
to
had
do
his-
my
he
job.
had his license
and then
3
later,
days.
when I met
I
up
gave
with
it to him.
Damon, we went to buy guns, which is our legal right, and we both have licenses. And then we're making our way to the police station to register them, because that is the correct order of procedures, huh? You get the license, you buy the gun, you go to the police station to register it.
Where's the other
Am I
part you
mistaken
said? Where's the
in
other
these
part with the lawyer?
Say then why do records show your gun license was given 3 days prior?
Then why do your records show that your gun license was given 3 days prior?
Was it given 3 days prior?
Nasmos, Nas.
Oh, sorry, no, sorry, I'm mistaken. It's Damon, because of the tsunami. Damon's having some issues with
Uh-oh.
his. How do I explain this?
No, it was his
Every day
license,
the
not
tsunami
Damon's.
clears his inventory, so we had to go together
Nope.
to get his. Sorry.
But it was Damon's.
Yeah, sorry, Damon. But we went together. Yeah, that's true. Sorry. It's been a couple days. We were meant to have the case fresh, but it was one of us.
How
getting
can we
it.
trust
That's
his recall of events?
How can we trust this man if he doesn't even know what happened?
I mean, you can just check what day his gun license was registered. It will be that.
Your Honor,
Say,
can I
why
make
do we
a
have-
comment? Just
You may
for the
proceed.
record. The weapon getting system, I must say, is incredibly convoluted. It's not the fault of the police officers. It's not the fault of anyone. It's just very difficult to, like, sometimes you get there and they're like, oh, come back later, and sometimes it just seems like a matter of circumstance to me. That's all I would say.
That's all my questions, Your
Any
Honor.
other questions for the witness? Okay,
No,
alright,
no,
witness,
you-
I have more questions, Your Honor.
All right, what's your
Smalls.
question?
Why do we have evidence stating you were at the PD earlier that day?
Why do
to
we have
register your
Yes.
evidence of you showing that you were at the PD that day? Stating
you were there to get your
you were there
weapon
to get your weapon registered.
Maybe
No, it was
like
said by the lawyer Viles. Your
It was
previous
said
lawyer.
by the
Your previous
lawyer Viles, your previous lawyer.
Oh no, he represented me for 10 minutes because he couldn't get any other lawyer into the police station at the time, and the police kind of pressured me to take him because everyone else would take at least 15
He-
minutes, and they didn't want to
He
wait.
called Viles
So he just
personally.
came down,
I did not.
and, I
Why did
explained
you
my
call-
situation. He might have
That's false.
misspoken at the
False
time.
testimony. Your Honor.
False testimony,
Objection.
Your Honor. He called Viles himself personally.
No.
Your Honor,
he called
objection.
Viles for him.
They
He
called
This
Viles
Viles-
themselves personally.
My objection.
Do we
Requested
have record of this?
Viles.
There is
He
a
did.
record in. I
Yes,
sent
Your
it to
Honor,
you.
sorry. It's on the body cam.
Yes, I did
It's on
send
the
it.
body cam.
I sent it to you in the body cam, but the way that Viles was speaking, one, he's not the representative of this direct court case any longer. It was passed on to me. His testimony should not be. Is it a null? I don't know. One of those things. However, he was saying this hypothetically. Every comment that Viles was saying, he would be like hypothetically or
It
like
wasn't
I think.
hypothetical. He said he was there. He took
It wasn't
responsibility for
hypothetical, Your Honor. It was real.
Review the footage, please.
Review the body cam footage, Your Honor.
Wait.
I remember
I
how
sent you those, right, Your Honor?
I remember how it was put.
Yes, I
They
have
they
the
presented me with two options. They said I actually asked if Stuart was available, and they said no. And the only two options was Chomper, who might be a little bit, I believe, and then Viles if I wanted to go immediately. So those were the options presented.
Are there any other questions, or is this it?
That one's short though. That one's just.
Yeah, I'm done.
Okay. You now may actually take your seat. Prosecution, you can start your closing statement, please.
Yes. I've forgotten everything.
If you need more time, the defense can go.
Oh, yes, please.
Your Honor, I'm eating potato tot. I'm done eating it.
Okay, can you do your closing statement, please, sir?
I'm thinking I can, Your Honor. Your Honor, in closing, the defendant is not guilty. Everything presented today is strictly hearsay. It is all circumstantial evidence that we have plenty of witness testimony. And frankly, Stuart Smalls, he's not the guy for the job, Your Honor. And I think that maybe he's not been so correct about all of the statements he's been making. And also, have a good day.
Thank you. Prosecution?
Your Honor, from the body cam footage to the call of the PD to his lawyer, I think we have all the evidence we need to show that this man is guilty and that Jake is lying to you badly.
Nuh-uh.
Holy shit, nice lock-in.
Thank you, gentlemen. Give me a little bit of time to just review the evidence and everything we've spoken about today, and I will come to my conclusion. Also, the police officer, can you please give me the exact minimum and maximums of sentence time and fines, just in case?
Oh, that's not good. I think that went well.
Yes, Your Honor, let me pull them up.
I mean, we just told the truth. I don't know.
We did. We told nothing but the truth. Under oath.
Did you
Yeah.
still need me?
Never really did that.
Sorry,
No,
apparently
no.
the
Sorry, Your Honor.
two witness limit and written testimony counts. So I thought it was two people, not.
No, you were the other witness.
I'm
The written didn't count.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, that's correct. I also had to just have
Go
a
fishing,
statement.
brother.
Sorry.
Go fishing.
Oh. Okay.
Did you have
I love
fun?
you, Earl. Thank you.
Yes. Let me know
I'm
if you
really
need anything
sorry.
else.
Yeah, this is real hard.
Nice job, Earl.
Stuart Smalls, you're
Don't
never
you
working in
hear
this
me?
town
You'd be
again.
great.
Possession of an illegal firearm is a felony. Minimum fine $3,000, maximum $8,000. Sentence is 8 months to 20 months.
That was for brandishing a weapon,
That was for possession, Your Honor.
possession of an unregistered firearm.
Yes.
And to be clear,
Fuck you, Stuart
he has
Smalls.
a weapons license, but he had not registered that
You're never
firearm.
working in this town again.
Correct.
Okay. And do you have a charge for brandishing a firearm?
Yes, the fine is $600 to $1,500, and the sentence is 3 months to 5 months.
Okay, thank you.
What you doing?
Hey,
What you doing
Smalls.
already?
Hey,
Seeing Bob Burger with
Good
a
recovery.
skate.
Sorry I puppeted you.
Cool.
no,
I just
you
need you to lock in, man.
you literally had to.
I really need you to lock
You
in.
literally had to.
Right, we got... Yeah.
You did so good, Smiles.
good.
Smiling, man.
Me,
No,
thank
you
you.
did
My
good.
name's Smalls, though.
Not you, dork.
He's talking about.
Stuart, are you gonna resign
Yeah,
when
please.
you have a 100% win rate after this case?
Absolutely.
Same.
Wow.
I'm already finding another
Wow.
lawyer.
Gotta keep that clear record going. But if I lose, then I'll be a lawyer forever.
What?
Oh, that's
the
tragic.
opposite of what you just said.
Wait, yeah. Wait, if you lose, you're gonna be.
If I
like-
win,
Objection,
that's
he
how
said the
I
quit.
opposite. If you win, you'll quit. I like the
trying to
cut of this
manage
guy's
you.
jib.
Wait, Your Honor, you didn't hear that because Your Honor likes me, so she hears that and she might say something else.
Your Honor, I plan to be a lawyer for the rest of my life.
Yeah, I ain't hear shit. You're good.
I see, Your Honor.
Type shit, Your Honor. Type shit, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, 30 on 30.
30 on 30, I'm not a big fan of the government.
You tell him.
Free Valentine.
Oh yeah, probably, yeah.
Well, I'm still collecting
We got
paychecks.
this, though.
Oh, should we have
We
mentioned
got
that
this.
we settled and then when I went there, they revoked it?
No,
For
that
no
has not.
That's all
it-
she needs.
Unfortunately, it doesn't have anything to do with that.
I feel like they're just
She's
harassing
smart.
me.
Yeah,
Real smart.
These two officers just
Ooh.
everywhere I go, everything I do.
Stuart, are you talking on the mic?
What? Oh, fuck.
Still, we hear everything.
Bro's live streaming. Type shit.
Stuart, oh my god. First time in court?
I was about to scream fucking live leak, but I realized it's probably not good for my case.
You don't scream lively, you scream world star.
Oh, World Star, sorry.
The
that's
live
right,
leak
I
is
forgot.
it's way different.
Oh, is it? Is it
Oh yeah,
a World Star?
the world star.
Wait, what's on live leak?
You don't want to know. Don't ask.
Okay, never mind.
We'll talk about it later. Oh,
I have decided the verdict. Due to the possible circumstances of being at the wrong place, wrong time, though you were not in a vehicle on the way to get your weapon registered, and
Because we
you
have no
did
car.
have the
I have
option
a
to
pic-
just stay at the police force. You could have just stayed there until your weapon was registered, but you did not. You still went out in the world with an unregistered weapon. So,
I didn't.
on the criminal charge of brandishing a firearm, I say not guilty. But the possession of a unregistered firearm, I will find you guilty
fuck.
with the minimum charges and minimum sentence that can be given. And I do believe he should be allowed to have his license afterwards. And I would hope that he lives among us as a proper, lawful citizen.
Huge W.
It's a dog.
We won and lost.
Thank you, Judge.
We literally won and lost.
Alright,
Oh,
Judge.
I don't understand.
Judge.
Stuart. We still both have a 100% win rate.
Let's
I
get out of
think-
here.
Oh, what's going on here?
Well, he gets his weapon license back. Can we just say W, by the way?
Hey, Judge.
No, I was asking
I mean,
about.
that gun was
Stuart.
purchased there, though.
Okay,
I
but
don't
you listen.
understand how
You
weapons
got your weapons license back.
Don't be
okay?
too greedy now. Don't be too greedy now.
Remember the deal? This was
Okay,
gonna be.
alright.
This was the deal anyway. You're gonna get it back.
Boss, do you want me to give you a ride back to VU?
Wait. Hey, boss.
Yeah, I need to.
Hey, boss. I got your client
Yeah.
the weapon back. I just want you to remember how cool I looked. Okay?
You're over this.
Thank you. I appreciate that. Now you have
Did
a
we-
good night.
Did we ever trade numbers, by the way?
We could check. I mean, I'll message you tonight.
I'll be waiting.
Say, whatever time I decide to do it.
You can choose, honey.
Oh yeah. Woohoo! I'm